All right, we're gonna take a little ride here in a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, the Malibu version. That's why it's got this straight dash instead of the circle gauges, like the Super Sport. This has some Super Sport options though. It's got the Cowl induction hood. It's got the bucket seats with the console. This one's got an upgraded tilt steering column, little aluminum one or chrome one. It's got added vintage air. It's got four-wheel Hydroboost disc brakes. Got a 400 in it. So 400 is a beefy little motor. There, a lot of times you see them in trucks. It's got a 4-bolt main. It's got some Camelback heads on it. A nice driver. It's finished in Astro Blue. It's a factory color, nice color. Not the original color of the car. I forget what that was originally, but it's just a nice fixed up Chevelle. You know, it's got some polished Americans on there. Brand new BF Goodrich T radials. It's got a 12-bolt rear differential with 355 Posi-Traction in it, so it goes pretty good on the freeway. Got a little Alpine stereo in there too. Nice, comfortable interior though. It's got vinyl interior with cloth inserts. But great car, good brakes, good steering, air conditioning. It's a nice little Chevelle to cruise around in. We'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's the Malibu version. So it's not a Super Sport, but it's got the Cowl induction hood, a couple SS badges here and there, buckets console. It's finished in Astro Blue. It's got the nice wheel well trim there. Polished 17 or 15-inch American racing wheels with brand new BF Goodrich T radials. It's got a nice 400 small block in it with a turbo 350 transmission. A nice exhaust, little rumble. You'll hear that in a little bit. But pretty solid car, you know. It's a driver. And a couple little paint flaws here and there, a couple dings. But you know what? If you're going to drive it, that's going to happen. But still looks great. All the chrome is in good shape. Show you the inside. So basically buckets console, it's got the horseshoe shifter, black door panels, got the nice blue inserts, kind of match the outside. Headliner's in good shape. Got tilt wheel, 3-spoke comfort grip wheel. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath, always nice to have so you know what's going on. AC's nice to have too. It's vintage air, so it's got the 134 Freon. Nice little stereo there, a little Alpine AM FM CD. It's got the dual mirrors. It's funny, a lot of these cars didn't have dual mirrors, but we're so used to it with the modern cars now. Kind of need them. Great looking car though, runs good, drives good. It's got an awesome sound to it, and not nearly as much as a Super Sport. Here's the power plant in the 70 Chevelle. Looks pretty good under here. Like I said, it's got a nice 400 motor in it, aluminum intake, little air gap intake, Edelbrock dress-up kit. It's got the 4-wheel Hydroboost disc brakes. They stop really good. Updated air conditioning. Got an MSD ignition. Got some headers. Aluminum radiator, electric fans. All the good stuff. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Here's your gauges. Got really good oil pressure. Little rumpity rump. Good running engine though. Pretty easy to take care of. Change oil, change spark plugs once in a while. Electronic ignition, not much to do there. But great sounding car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you this car in person if you're interested. Or if you want to ship it or you need a loan, we can probably hook you up on that too if the credit's good. All right, appreciate you watching.